This is the jelly roll quilt that I made using the flannels from Missouri Star Quilt Company. I love these. You can see all the Christmas fabrics in it. It's beautiful. This was one jelly roll, and that was enough to make a quilt this size. And then I used additional flannel for the back, like that. This is a lap quilt, and the size of this is 46 by 46 before I washed it. Wash it. And when I wash it, it's going to shrink, but then it's going to get even more cuddly. That is so pretty, and it feels so good. So keep watching, and I'll show you how I made it. Here's one of the strips, one of the sets of strips. I used 4 of the 2.5 inch by the width of fabric strips. These are flannel, and I sewed them together with a 1/4 of an inch seam allowance. And now I am going to use an 8.5 inch ruler to cut them into squares. I am now going to take, this is an 8.5 inch ruler. You could use any ruler. This just makes it really easy to line it up. And as you can see, maybe they're not quite 8.5. That's fine. I'm okay with that if I'm off a little bit. Cut off this edge here. And then for me, left-handed, so I am going to switch my piece this way. And then I'll cut it. 1, 2, 3, and 4. might, nope, can't get it. As you can see here, I cut it here. There's not enough. So I will get 4 blocks out of each strip. There's another one. You're not going to want to watch me cut all of them. Maybe I'll speed this up. I went ahead and subcut all 10 of the strips that were the 4 2.5-inch strips. So these are all my 8.5-inch quilt blocks. For this one, I was going with the green, the red, the white, and the black on all of them. And after I had 8, I got down to where this was all I had left, was the red and the black. So I went ahead and made these, and I'm not sure how I'm going to work them into the quilt, but I'm going to put it up on my design wall, and then I'll show you. And then I've also got 10 of these blocks that aren't big enough. And what I'm going to end up using these for is in the back of my quilt. So let's get them up on the design wall.